Further, as part of the fundamental analysis uh, and as part of the uh, economic analysis, we will need to understand trade cycle or business cycle or economic cycle. For gathering good understanding of the industry analysis, we will need to understand industry life cycles. And for gaining good understanding or good knowledge about the company, we will also need to understand as the product life cycle. And this is what we will do one by one. Now, please remember these three cycles, and I'm repeating it once again. Cycle number one, trade, business, or economic cycle. Cycle number two, industry life cycle. Cycle number three, product life cycle. So these three cycles will have direct and varying impact on the valuations of a business. Hence, we need to observe impact of each of the stages of these cycles on valuations of a business. And that is what we need to remember. As we discuss these cycles one by one, we will also understand the impact each of the stage of each of these cycles will have on the valuations. But just to give you an idea, when the industry or when the product is at the introduction stage, maybe the valuations are not going to be so attractive. But when the product enters into the growth stage, then the valuations of the company will become attractive. And then it will lead to the point of maturity where the valuations will stabilize, and finally it will come to the stage of decline, and that's where the valuations of the company will also keep on declining. And this is the relationship that we have to understand with regard to each of these three cycles, and this is what we will do now one by one.